Hello friends, I'm Esan from eBangalore Property. Bangalore Development Authority has announced e-auction of BDA sites in Rajajinagar, HSR layout, BTM layout, JP Nagar, Anjanapura, Banshankari, SMV layout and surrounding areas. This information was published in Deccan Herald today, 18 June 2020. So to simplify the information, I have made this video so that those who are interested to buy the sites can participate and purchase this good BDA plots directly from the BDA. So the e-auction opens on 20th of this month. It ends on 7th of July. So here is the newspaper advertisement. All the information has been given in this video, including the layout details, site numbers, measurements. Measurements are given in meters and square meters. So you can go through the video for complete information. All the terms and conditions are available on the BDA website. It's a very good opportunity. A few days back I had posted status about the news. Many people were asking, so I have made this video exclusively for my subscribers and general public. So starting with the Vishweshwaraya layout, first block. These are the sites numbers: north to south, east to west, and area in square meters total. So the first is serial number for reference, site number, north to south length, east to west length, and total square meter area. So these are all Vishweshwaraya layout. First block, third block, fourth block, fifth block. The contact numbers are given on the bottom. So for example, this Vishweshwaraya layout fifth block, the mobile number will be at the end of the chart, at the end of the table. So this is the mobile number to be contacted for the further information regarding this particular block. So make sure you contact the right mobile number if you are interested in that particular layout and particular sites, so that valuable time of these officials are not wasted. Take time, correct number please dial. So these are the site numbers. Serial number is unique for this e-auction, which comes first in the table. So easily the auctioned property can be identified with the help of the serial number. So this is Banshankari we are looking at. At the end of the video I have shown the map also to identify the location of these layouts. Banshankari 6th stage, 5th stage, all comes between Kanakpura Road after KSIT College. Vishweshwaraya layout near Shirke apartment surrounding area. Most of the sites are being auctioned in those localities. Banshankari 5th stage, 6th stage, all in the Kanakpura Road attachment localities. So these are all Banshankari. 6th stage 11 block. As I mentioned, serial number is very important if you are participating in the auction. So this is Banshankari 6th stage 4th H block, Vajralli village. This is Gublala, nearby Gublala. This is the only site in Rajajinagar, heart of the city. 66.88 square meters. So you can see the initial bid price at the end of the table. This is this is BTM layout 6th stage, second block. This one comes behind the Royal Meenakshi Mall. Jai Prakash Nagar, that is our JP Nagar, and Anjanapura, both are attached. Anjanapura and JP Nagar 8th phase, 9th phase localities, right between Bannagatta Road and Kanakpura Road. So this is JP Nagar 8th phase, first block, second block, 9th phase, surrounding Jambu Savari Dinne locality. And HSR layout, prime properties are available. Most of these are corner sites. You can see a lot of them are odd dimensions. HSR layout, 3rd sector, 6th sectors, prime properties. Among this auction, you can see 1.5 lakh is the initial bid price per square meter. So these are general terms and conditions of the auction. This was published in the Deccan Herald by BDA today. So all information can be availed from the website. Study the information, then proceed or call these numbers. So to give you the idea of the localities where the auction is taking place. So Bangalore, most of the southwest and southeast localities. This is Vishweshwarya layout behind Bangalore University campus, right in between Magadi Road and Mysore Road, within the Nice Road periphery. So Vishweshwarya layout, east of NGF layout is also here only. And then comes Banshankari, 5th stage, 6th stage, all between Kanakpura Road and Nice Road belt, Turahalli forest surrounding area. Most of this auction is taking place around this locality, Talgatpura police station, fast growing area actually. Then Rajaji Nagar, everyone knows Rajaji Nagar, where Rajaji Nagar is. So only one site is there in Rajaji Nagar, measuring 66.88 square meters. Then JP Nagar and Anjanapura. This is BTM layout, 6th stage area behind Royal Meenakshi Mall, off Banagatta Road and Hosur Road, both connected. And this is JP Nagar 8th phase, 9th phase, Anjanapura further extension localities between Banagatta Road, Kanakpura Road and within the Nice Road area. That's where my office is located, JP Nagar South office. And in the last, this is HSR layout next to Kormangla. These are very prime properties, HSR layout, fully developed. So in this auction, many sites have been released in HSR layout. For further details, please contact BDA official numbers which are given in the video, and also you can go through their website. Hope this information helps you. Thank you for watching this video and do write your comments below.